the sticky note, I would like you to select a time between 10 and 10:30. That time, you can select it at intervals of 5 minutes. So you can have 10. The next one would be what? 10:05, 10:10, 10:15, 10:20, 10:25, ama 10:30. So you'll select one of those. Write them in big numbers. Ujaze hiyo karatasi by just indicating 10:05 ama 10:30 in big numbers, kitu ambaye nitasoma from where I am. Now you can go ahead and write on your sticky note. Usikopi ya mwenzako, yeye ameamua time yake. Pengine alionyeshwa usiku katika ndoto, mwingine anaipenda. Thank you. Everyone has indicated their time in big letters. Now put your pen down, pick your sticky note, occupy any free space in this room, except that part there where Kinasama are, because they have very sensitive equipment. Awa, njoo nionyesha kule mbele. Okay. We are occupying this space and that space and this space. Hello. Good morning. Evans, how are you? Hi, Agnes. There are some people behind you. So Agnes should be the last one. Hawa wengine wako huku. Haya, tutembee. Just walk around mingling with people. Look at their eyes. You're just mingling. You're just mingling. Yes. Saying hi to people. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now listen. Hata sisi tumekuwa wa Afrika sana. How are you? Okay, so listen up. Now hold your time up and you walk around looking for someone. Listen to the instructions. There are 2 levels. You will walk around looking for someone with similar time as yours. Hold on. You started walking. Have not finished. Okay? You will walk around, look for someone with a similar appointment as yours. But number 2, the color has to be different from yours. Tuko pamoja? And once you get together, then you will have formed a pair and you will go to a secluded place within this room. Utaondoka hapa katikati kwenye uwanja. Wewe utakuwa ushapata mwenzako, utaenda mahali pembeni. Except where Cliff and the rest are. Similar time, different color. Similar time, You walk around. You don't call people to you. You walk around, find someone with a similar time, different color. Walk around.
Good morning.
You form a pair, not three. Now let me repeat the instructions. You are forming a pair, and once you form a pair, you clear from here. I don't want anyone here. If you don't have someone, I am going to act as Tinder. You know Tinder is the dating app that connects those who can't get others. If you don't have someone, just come here. Tinder will help you. It means if there is no one here, then everyone has found a partner. Hizo instructions in a flow. Kama una ndo, you must get someone with the same time but different color. If you don't get the same time, different color, come here. Where is your sticky note? Show each other. Tafuta nani ni huko? Yes. All those have partners now. Aya. Aya, this is what happens. So with your partner, face each other, look at them in the eyes, because I'm hoping that you're going to be honest. And this is what happens. Stop imagining. Facts. Point number 1. You have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes for this exercise, where each of you will tell the other, will explain to the other, which was the most memorable strand that you covered during this course. That is from January to here. One, why is it memorable? I repeat, which is the most memorable strand you have covered since you started this course. Only one. And please, a strand is what you covered, content. It's content. Sawa sawa. I'm not looking for what has been very exciting. Oh, joining classroom. Oh, sijui nini. I'm looking for strand, content. You covered a lot of content in your area. Sindio? Yes. So which is the most memorable for you? And why it is the most memorable for you? Sawa sawa. We have 5 minutes to share. Huyu ambia mwenzake na mwingine ambia mwenzake. It has to be honest. Make sure you understand what your partner is telling you, because you will tell us. You should be winding up. Remember, I will ask you what your partner's most memorable strand was and why. You need to understand it. Ask any questions you need to ask your partner, any questions and so on. Thank you. Point number 2. I have another question. Again, we'll get 5 minutes. What has been the most challenging strand? And, listen, and how have you been able to overcome it? So we are not going to leave problems there. The most challenging and how you are able to do it, to overcome it. Let's go ahead. We have our 5 minutes. If you're not able to overcome it, now let me clarify. Hello, hello. Good morning. If you can hear me, clap once. If you cannot hear me, clap twice. Please, we are talking of strands. Strands is content. Let me disqualify a few myths. E-portfolio was not a strand in this course. MS Sway was not a strand in this course. That is where you deposit what you have learned. The strand and the e-portfolio and the sway was where you deposited what you learned. Hello, hello. It was not a strand. That's how. Joining the Google Classroom mpya was not a strand. Strand is content you covered in class during the sessions. Tuko pamoja? Tuendelee sasa, the most challenging and how you were able to overcome it, including the activities during any of those.
Kuna wakati kweli alijisapia seriously. Wapea limits. You did alone. Hiyo ni mbaya. Umekuwa paired na mtu. Ungejua angefanya, you could have talked to somebody else. You went now. Now, tukimaliza hawa wakiondoa nao for kwenye sisi tutafanya next, we are supposed to prepare the ones who will be selected from this one, the MS. Alafu na tuwe na new group. Niambie uwe paired na mtu kama huyo na hawa hawako kwa like there's someone I think from leadership station huyo anasema yeye ni msee. Sindio huyo na alafu na yule mwingine mweupe beti yule akuvaa miwani.
So we will then give them, after this thing, then give them this one a rando, and we write, then pale kwa zile nini moja we write the challenge, memorable, challenging, then we'll give them this, no, yes, we'll give them 3 of this. So, 3, but now they don't have to be color. No, these are, you still get 3, that's the color. Because you get 3 now, this and color, this. But just to make clear that none of them can make a memory. That way we get our feedback now. Okay, thank you. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. If you are happy and you know, if you are happy, now I have your attention. Thank you. The third thing that I want you to discuss, listen, one thing that you've been able to, not discuss, you are sharing with your partner, one thing that you've been able to implement in your school or your institution. By institution here I mean because we also have the people from the officers. One thing that you've been able to implement that you learned during this course. Hakuna kudanganya. Explain kitu moja ambayo umefanya. Yeah? One thing you've been able to, however small, if it's in your lesson plan, what is it that you are able to change? Okay, thank you so much. Now what you do is that you will get 3 sticky notes. So sit, just sit where you were seated before. Remember to hold up your color sticky note. Let's go back to our seats. Who's missing? What color? Ziko hapa. Please raise your hand if you are missing a sticky note. What color? What color? Thank you. Hi, everyone is sorted. Hey, are you missing? You have 3. We have, you have 3 sticky notes. I want to move on. Now what you do on one of those sticky notes, on one